If your LinkedIn post keeps flopping, it's not because you're not good enough. It's because you're making mistakes you don't even realize you're making. And once you fix them, everything changes. Have you ever spent time crafting the perfect LinkedIn post? You hit publish and then nothing happens. No likes, no comments, no traction. You start thinking, maybe my content isn't good enough, or maybe LinkedIn just doesn't like me. But that's not the case. The truth is, your content isn't bad. It's just not connected. And in this video, I will show you exactly why your LinkedIn post keeps flopping, and more importantly, how to fix them. So let's dive in. 1. You're writing to everyone. Here's the first mistake. You're writing to everyone. And when you write to everyone, you connect with no one. Most people create posts that sounds like this: how to grow your business online. Sounds fine, right? But who's that for? Everyone, which means no one feels personally spoken to. Now watch this. Here's how small business owners can attract clients on LinkedIn without running ads. Instantly, it's more specific. The person knows that's me. That's what stops the scroll. So how to fix this? Fix this by identifying one person per post. Before writing, ask yourself, who am I trying to help with this post? Then write directly to that person, like you're in their DMs, not on the stage. The more specific you are, the stronger your connection. 2. You're sharing information, not insights. Anyone can share information, but insight, that's what makes people stop and think. Let me share some examples with you. Information says consistency is key to success. Insight says most people are consistent without posting, but not with learning. That's why they stay stuck. You can see the difference. Insight shows understanding. It tells people, I've been there, I get you. So how to fix this? Add your take to every post. Don't just say what, explain why it matters. When you start sharing insight instead of facts, you stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a thought leader. 3. You are trying to look smart, not be relatable. Let's be real. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with authenticity. If your content feels too polished or robotic, people scroll right past. You can be smart and still sound human. Instead of saying, after years of studying, I mastered brand strategy, why not say this? My first brand project failed completely, but that's how I learned what branding really means. Can you see the difference? When you start sharing real stories, the struggle, the lessons, and the growth, you invite more people in. So how to fix this? Use your own voice. Speak like you talk to a friend. Be open about the process, not just the result. That's what builds trust. 4. Your hook isn't strong enough. Your first line decides if people will keep reading or they will scroll away. And most creators lose their readers right there. So I want to share some examples of weak hook. Today, I want to talk about consistency. Strong hook. Here's why most people quit LinkedIn right before they start growing. Can you see the difference? One informs, the other intrigues. So how to fix this? Use proven hook patterns like how I turned 0 followers into 3,000 followers in 8 months. Why most LinkedIn creators never get likes? What nobody tells you about growing a brand online. And here's a pro tip: write your hook last, because once you know your story, you know how to open it up beautifully. 5. You are ignoring formatting. This is a big one. Let's talk about formatting. Sometimes your posts flop because it's just too hard to read. Huge block of text make people scroll past. LinkedIn is fast. Attention span is very short. So how to fix this? Use short sentences, 1 to 2 lines max. Add white space. You can use emoji or bullet points only when needed. The post should look easy to read at a glance. Remember, people read your structure before they read your words. 6. You're not telling stories. Facts educate, story connects. People don't remember data, they remember emotions. If your post doesn't have a beginning, middle, and end, it will flop. How to fix this? Use the simple 4-part story formula. 1. Hook, to grab attention. 2. Conflict, what went wrong. 3. Lessons, what have you learned. Takeaways, what your audience can apply. For example, I once posted daily for 30 days and still didn't grow. Then I realized I was writing for likes, not people. When I shifted to solving real problems, everything changed. That's what connects, not just content, but emotion. 7. You don't engage back. I know you guys. You can't expect engagement if you don't give it. LinkedIn isn't a stage, it's a conversation. So how do I fix this? Reply to every comment. Comment thoughtfully on other posts. Start real conversation in DMs. When you engage with others, LinkedIn algorithm rewards you with visibility. But beyond that, people start to remember you. And that's where the real magic happens, when engagement becomes connection. 8. You don't have a clear CTA. Your post needs direction. People won't act unless you tell them what to do next. So how to fix this? End each post with a simple CTA. So I want to share some with you. What's your take on this? Tag someone who needs this. If this helps, follow for more LinkedIn growth tips. When you make it easy for people to respond, they actually will. So why do your LinkedIn posts flop? Because you are writing to everyone, not someone. You're sharing facts, not insights. You're trying to look too smart instead of being relatable. You skip the story, the hook, the connection. But here's the good news. You can fix all of that. Start writing like you're talking to one person. Tell stories, share lessons, engage with others. Do that and your LinkedIn won't just grow, it will connect. Remember, it's not about going viral, it's about being valuable. If this helped you, drop a comment, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe.